Anything specific that bothers you?
No, maybe look at my neck. I hold a lot of tension in my upper side of my body, like between my shoulder blades and then between my atlas.
Still do yoga?
Every day.
Still run?
Yeah, I ran yesterday.
Awesome. Still like 8 miles plus?
Yeah, you know, I've been recovering. I have an Achilles issue that I've been nursing.
Okay.
But I think it's a tendon, not a joint issue.
We'll take it off. We'll take a look.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take
Shoes
a look.
off?
Yeah, shoes off, yeah.
I've known this guy for 25 years.
25?
25. Coming up in 26.
Quarter of a century.
Yeah, I've known you a quarter of a century.
Alright. Do me a favor, lay down, face down.
That's it. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, stretch.
A little bit lighter.
Okay. Stop. I'm pressing about this much. Just to give you a heads up. I'm not pressing much.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying, that all that pressure will go into your tendon, right? It feels a little rough, but tomorrow if I do the same thing, I can probably go about 4 or 5 times deeper.
Mm.
All right, go ahead, turn around, face down. All right. Have you ever seen one of these guys before? It's a rapid release?
Yeah, you should.
All right. Let's take a look here. Okay. Feel how this one's coming a little closer than this one? Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I'm feeling with this side here. See how this one's a little not moving as much?
My left side is generally tighter than my right side.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to do a drop table, all right? Okay. All of this is just going to drop down like that. One more. All right. Oh yeah, you can feel all these muscles on this side. All right, why don't we use this here? All right, let's take a look at you right through here. Any problems with the shoulder?
No.
No? Okay. You're gonna grab the whole head. I'm gonna move it to the side. I'm going right in here. And you already felt that pop right there. All right, same thing on this side. Good. All right, let's have you go on your back. All right, move down just a little bit. Big bear hug. There we go. I'm gonna give you a nice and relaxed. I'm gonna go right through here. There we go. Nice and easy. All right. Arms in your stomach for me. Let's take a look at your neck here. You getting headaches?
No.
No? But you feel stress right here.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Now, move to the side here. Give a nice little one more, all right, bud? There it goes. Nice and gentle. Same thing on the other side. Relax, relax. There we go. There we go. nice and relaxed. All right. Since you abuse your feet all the time, we're going to adjust them too, all right?
Okay.
Grab onto the side of the table. Perfect. I'm going to try my best to throw you off the table. You try your best for me not to do it, all right?
Which way direction are you going?
I'm going to try to go this way.
Okay.
All right. So it's going to be nice and quick. Just try to have these nice and relaxed. All right. Good. One more. There we go. There we go. Same thing on this side. This one's going to be a little bit of a quick, okay? And one more. Good. All right. So stand up and move around a little bit and see how you feel.
Yeah, I feel great. Yeah, definitely ease of movement.
Awesome.